Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can check Sofi Debit card status, so let's get started. If you want to check the status of your Sofi Debit card, the process is very simple. First, open the Sofi app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are inside, go to the banking section and select the debit card option. Here, you will be able to view the current status of your card, whether it is active, in transit, or shipped, and then if it has already been shipped, you may also see the expected delivery date. After that, if you are using a desktop instead of the mobile app, you can visit the official Sofi website and log into your account. From there, navigate to your checking and savings account, select the debit card option, and review the status in the same way. And then, if you are unable to find the updates through the app or website, you can directly contact Sofi customer support by calling 855-456-7634 or by using the in-app chat support. Finally, once your physical debit card arrives, make sure to activate it through the Sofi app before you start using it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.